Hello everyone, welcome to Crimson Journey with me Alice, and today we are going to modify one of my t-shirt, and the t-shirt is this one that I'm wearing right now. I bought it from our gym. There was an event a few months ago, their 4th anniversary, so we bought this t-shirt to support them, but I don't like the fitting. So this one, the front side and the back side is like this, but it's too baggy for me, and we're going to modify it right now. Okay.
Now, frustration in the air, and people who don't care, well, it's gonna get you down. And you'll fall, 'cause you will hit a wall. But get back on your feet and just be stronger and smarter. And I know, 'cause I've been there before. Knocking down the door, won't take no for an answer. And you'll see, 'cause if it's meant to be, nothing can compare to disturbing your dream. It's amazing, it's amazing, all that you can do. It's amazing, makes my heart sing. Now it's up to at first. Wait, won't get it on a plate. You're gonna have to work for it harder and harder. And I know, 'cause I've been there before. Knocking on the door with reaction. And you'll see, 'cause if it's meant to be, nothing can compare to disturbing your dream. It's amazing, it's amazing, all that you can do. It's amazing, makes my heart sing. Now it's up to you. frustration in the air, and people who don't care, well, it's gonna get you down. And you're all, 'cause you will hit a wall, but get back on your feet and just be stronger, smarter. And I know, 'cause I've been there before, knocking down the door, won't take no for an answer. And you'll see, 'cause if it's meant to be, nothing can compare to this Airbnb dream. It's amazing, it's amazing, all that you can do. It's amazing, makes my heart sing. Now it's up to
Okay, so here is the final look of my modification. No sewing process needed at all, so I just cut. And yeah, modification here. At one of my shoulder, the sleeves, the hem, and the back. Okay, so what do you think? Is it cute, right? At least in my opinion. Please like this video if you like this. If you like the content, and click like, subscribe, and share new videos every week. See you later. Bye bye.